Good morning, everyone. Day 142. Got up, 74 degrees, and we're going to be heading about 9.9 miles to Pine Grove Furnace State Park. We're going to be hiking that way, so no views yesterday. Maybe some views today. I don't know. Also, we'll have a milestone today. We'll be to the halfway mark of our journey. It's unbelievable, halfway. Whew. But we still got the other half to go. So we'll talk to y'all later. So let's roll. Good morning, everyone. It is 7:59, and we have a big milestone. We have done 1,098.7 miles, the halfway point of the AT. It's something. Me and No Rush have gone 1,098.7. Unbelievable. So that's the sign behind me. I'll get closer to it here. Talk to y'all later, so let's roll. Hello, everyone. I'm here at the Pine Grove Furnace store where the half-gallon challenge is done by hikers. It's not a true half-gallon because it's less ice cream in the container, so you got to eat a half-gallon container and a pint to make a half-gallon of ice cream. And they give you about like 30 minutes or so to do it in. I decided not to do it because I don't want to suffer the consequences. So I had me just a pint with a burger and fries. But this place is located at a state park in Pennsylvania.
There's the trail.
And we are staying at a hostel that's located back up over that way. So we'll talk to y'all later. Alright, toured the museum a moment ago. And it's pretty interesting. You learn some interesting points there. Talk to y'all later. Alright, here's the back porch to Iron Master's Mansion Hostel. Going down the steps. Alright. This is the outside of the building from here. Talk to y'all later. And here's a picture from the street level. Or down by the street. Talk to y'all later.